tip. So if you guys want to learn more on how to make it fast and easy, just keep watching. So the first ingredients that we need, this one is very, very important, is the beef broth. I just bought a whole carton of it. And then you need roast beef, not roast ham, roast beef. And then you need the smoke or the cheese. And then 1 onion. And I bought this from Cup Foods, and it was their fresh baguette. They were 99 cents, and it was fresh when I bought it. Another thing you need is 1 stick of butter. I forgot that, but it's okay because we're still rolling with the video. So here we go. I'm just gonna cut the onion. And I'm just gonna peel the first layer off. Like that. And then I'm just going to cut it like that. I want to make it into squares, so I'm going to cut like that and like that. But like I tell you guys, be careful. Don't want you guys to be cutting your fingers. Then you guys are going to say, oh, well, Queen Fancy did it, and I was trying to do it the same way, but then, oh boy, you cut your fingers. I don't want to be sending nobody to the ER on my behalf, because then people would be like, oh, what were you doing? I was following directions from Queen Fancy. Sorry if you guys can hear it in the background, but then my husband is outside cutting the grass. So there we are on a Wednesday night cutting the grass. And I wanted to say that I want to thank everyone that has been watching my channel and subscribing to me. That is a very big accomplishment for me. So if you guys have any friends, please refer them to my videos. If you guys have any family, please ask them to join the Queen Fancy family. Okay, so the next thing is we are going to be going to the stove, and let's start this beef broth going. I don't know how much you guys want to make, but I am going to make dinner for tonight and then lunch tomorrow. Sorry, I'm waving the butter around, but I'm going to put it somewhere close to the stove, like right here. Because I was supposed to take it out so it melts, but then I forgot to. So I'm going to shake this beef broth and then open it. And we are just going to be putting it, ooh, careful. Careful, honey. You don't want to be spraying that all over the place. And you guys know that I go to Cup Foods all the time. But this video is not sponsored by them, you know? So, I'm going to do the whole thing. The whole box. The whole box is 32 ounces or 2 pounds. For those who weigh their food. And I am going to be putting this in there at the same time. So this is the onion. Be careful, it splashes. The only reason why I'm doing that is because I want the onion to be soft. Okay. And the reason why I chose the yellow onion because it's more sweeter. Not like the white onion, it's more raw. So I'm gonna put my cover on there, wait for it to boil, and then we'll go to the next step. Well, it is boiling. I'm going to take a bowl with a fork and I'm going to put the butter in there like this. I'm gonna try to cut it because my bowl is kind of small. Like that. Hi-ya! And a hi-ya! Okay. And then I'm going to be putting some onion powder, if you guys can see that. Sorry for the light. Onion powder. Even though it has onion there, I still want to put some onion powder. And then some garlic powder. You guys can see that too. If not, it's okay. It's just garlic powder. Just gonna put some in there like that. And then what you want to do, sorry, let me bring it closer, is you just want to kind of smush it like this. So all that powder gets into the butter and it is going to be yummy. Like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna mush it up off camera and then we're gonna go off and see how the broth is doing. So since it is boiling, you guys can see it is boiling. I just want to wait until the onion is a little bit more soft because it still looks like it's a little hard. So we will be right back. Took the French bread out of the plastic or the cardboard or whatever you call that bag. I'm just going to cut it into sandwich sizes. Just gonna eyeball it so it's about 2 inches each. There we go. And then you want to cut it in half. You know, as you guys can see, this is not a bread knife, but you know, girlfriend ain't that rich, so girlfriend is going to try to use it and make sure that it doesn't go cray-cray on her like this bread. I don't know why it's going cray-cray on me right now, but you guys get the gist, you know. You know. There you go. So remember that butter that I was telling you guys about? You guys want to just lightly put some butter on here. It's got that garlic and that onion powder. No, girl, I was just kidding. I was just kidding. No, you want to put a lot of butter because you know your man is hungry. You're hungry. Ain't got time for, you know, little crispy things. No. You know you need to be fast, precise. That baby hungry, that baby crying, that baby tugging on you. You're telling that baby to be like, back it up, you know. Back it up, just back it up 1 minute so I can cook. No, that baby is not going to give up, okay? Sorry, I just went ghetto there. But there we go. One side, there we go. The other side. Sometimes, you know, being going ghetto gets the job done, you know. This one time I was trying to be really nice and, you know, friendly, kind of, not to be racist, but kind of whitish, you know, polite on the phone, until they're like, no ma'am, there's nothing else we can do. Then I want to get on their ass, and you know what? They said they apologize for the inconvenience. They are going to be reversing those fees for me. Then I was like, why do I have to be ghetto for you guys to help me out? Like, if you are polite, nobody is gonna do nothing for you, you know? And everybody works hard for their money. And if you want to put some rosemary on there, you can. Some basil, whatever you like, whatever you prefer, you can put it on there. I am just going to do some butter. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And let's just hope that doesn't go in the trash. Let's just hope, because with my luck today, it's just gonna happen. So let me tell you guys the story of my life today. So my husband goes, honey, I made you coffee. And I said, oh, that's so sweet, thank you. Drink the coffee. He rinsed my cup, washed my cup. There was soap in my cup. So he puts coffee in there. Tastes like soap, not coffee. So I didn't get my coffee. And then I didn't bring lunch because, you know me, I'm too soft. So I said to my husband, oh yeah, you can bring the lunch. He eats all the food, and I don't have any food for lunch. Then I eat every 2 hours, and at this point, I do not have any snacks too. So I was upset, and I was really not in the mood to go to work. But you know, hey, today's done, right? Don't you guys feel like that sometimes? So we're almost done with this bread. Sorry to bore you. If you don't want to know about my life story, sorry, you're just gonna have to take it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not that mean. I'm not that mean. There we go. We're just waiting for the soup to be ready. We can put the beef in there and some cheese, and we will be good. So let's check on the soup, okay? But first thing, I want to put these bread into the oven first. Sorry, my oven is kind of dirty. And just put it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we will check back on it. But let's go to the soup. Okay, so let's try and look at the soup here. Hello. Do you guys see? Do you guys see? I don't want to tip it. But look at that onion. It is so good. So I am going to just kind of dip the meat in there. Here we go. Trot, trot, trot. One at a time. Trot, trot, trot. Like that. Mm-hmm. Then my bread is ready. Do you guys see that? Melted butter. So I am just going to take it out and, you know, place it on here like so. And grab a little or a lot, it doesn't matter, just how much you want to eat, like that. Damn, that is good. That is good. Then when it is still hot, you want to put the cheese on it. Just like that. Oh boy, that's gonna be way too good. Way too good. Ooh, it's hot. You guys see that? You see how it's still dripping? That's what you want. Let the cheese kind of melt when the meat is kind of hot. And that's it. Dinner is ready. How fast was that? So I'm going to plate it and let you guys see how it looks. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yup. That bread with some cheese and some beef. And oh my gosh, look at that au jus sauce. I just added some cheese on top of it with some chips. It is going to be yummy in my tummy. So thank you guys for coming to watch my channel. I hope you guys had a great time like I did. And I hope that you guys try the recipe because it is so easy, so quick. And until next time, I will see you guys. Bye.